Hey lovelies, today I'll be showing you how I made this quick and simple coconut rice. The recipe is quite easy. It's so simple and everyone likes it. Everyone literally enjoyed this coconut rice. If you are looking for that sharp food, this is easy to go. Let's get started, guys. To my returning viewers, thank you very much. And to everyone who is just coming across this video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and give me a thumbs up if you find this helpful. Okay, I'm sure this will always be to your rescue. And of course, I'll be dropping my ingredient in the description box. Do well to check it out as you watch the video. Thank you. I do hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye guys.